I can only record this fan over here. It's off right now. It's been off since August 2022. That's it. Alright, look at what I found here. This here's the big ass HVLS fans.
Let's go, Lucas.
There's one over there. Alright, guys.
Come on, I have to pee.
I don't know what those fans are. Yeah, that's it. Alright, here's the 56-inch Van Van Bob Fan Bronze line at my local McDonald's. It's now spinning at a slower speed than the last time I filmed it, which was back in September. That's it over here. I don't know what kind of fan. Whatever. That's Hunter original ceiling fans in the Tim Hortons. Kendall Quantum Lighting too. Another orange. So Quantum Lighting. Awesome pizza. Quantum Lighting. But that one over there is Builders. There's the modern Danco Ferro ceiling fans. By the holding area. Unfortunately, only one's running right now.
Very careful with the boulders.
There's one right there. There's only one building choice here. It's by the Boston Pizza area. That's it. Boston. Here's the fan at Boston Pizza. There's a builder's choice. The rest of these are just quantum lighting. Wait. There's two builder's choices here. There's the other one over there. And then there's four builder's choice. And no, there's two builder's choices and four quantum lighting. That's it. Only one's running. That's an inside view of the Hunter original ceiling fans. One of them is off over there. Here we have two Kendall builders choices. One over here. All of them are off now. All the builders' choice. Whatever, I don't know what this fan is, but yeah, I'm just gonna send it anyways. Yeah, that's it.